Hey there Titans, welcome to Form Titan Basics. In this video we will talk about how to make your basic PDF interactive. So we have here a simple form which we pull up a contact, we map the fields, and then we have a basic PDF template here, and we mapped in the fields. Full name, address, the home phone, mobile phone, and email address. Let's take a look at how it looks like. So we're going to search a contact, pick rows, let's submit. I have my PDF to preview before submit. Let's take a look at our PDF. So it mapped in the name, the address, etc. Now let's say I want to click here and I want to fill in the social security number, or I want to edit the address. In other words, I want to make my PDF interactive. Let's cancel this, head over to our PDF. And let's go to settings, click interactive mode, let's do configure, and now we can start adding our elements. So let's add our full name. We can do that it's mandatory, and let's add our email, and we will do mandatory as well, and let's do inline editing as well, and apply, and save the form. Let's refresh our form. Head back to rows, submit, and we can see that Form Titan lets us interactively edit our form. So for example, if we want to add the social security, then we can do another text field, text box. We'll throw it over here, and we'll do social security. And let's hide this. Let's head back to our PDF settings. And add an element. Add our social. And throw it over here. Head back to our interactive mode and do the social security, and again that will be mandatory. And before we submit this, let's take a look at a signature. For example, let's say we want our form to be signed, so let's make the signature smaller and hide this as well. Head back to our PDF settings. And let's just, for this instance, we'll throw the signature over here. Doesn't make any sense, but just for the sake of argument. Let's save our form, refresh, we'll pull up rows again, submit. And this is our social security, so we can fill this up. And we didn't add the signature to our interactive mode. So let's add that. Configure the interactive mode, add our signature. We'll make it required as well. Apply, save our form, refresh. Let's pull rows up again. And there we have it. Let's add in our social security, sign the form, and there you have it. And this is how it's done.